Hello friends and potential friends. I think in my last video I mentioned that I was going to wait until all of these potato plants died back before I start harvesting the tubers out of this bed. This is two separate plantings. Down at this end I planted one batch, and then up at this end I planted another about a week and a half, 2 weeks later. Well, the ones up here have all pretty much died off, but these ones down here are still growing. In fact, some of them still have blossoms on them. So I was just going to hold off and dig them all at once, but yesterday I came out here and I happened to notice this little potato. It was right at the top of the surface, and I was afraid that that spot on it meant that it was rotting. So I went ahead and dug that plant. Turns out it wasn't rotting, it's just kind of disfigured a little bit. And I found two more little ones and two big ones. And quite frankly, these are about the biggest potatoes I've grown yet. And this one had roots starting to grow out of it. So I figured I'd better get them out of here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start right over there in that corner and work my way around this side. I'm going to leave these ones here, and all of those that still have green, and come right up the side here till I get up around there and see just what I can find in here. Because I just soon have good potatoes that I can eat than leave them out here to start growing again. Let me put you up on the pedestal and I'll get into it. That's what I got so far, half a bucket full. But that last one I pulled out was actually on one of the green plants, and it's got some roly-poly damage in it. So I think I'm going to go ahead and dig the rest of these, just make it one long treasure hunt. Because I don't want them all bit up by bugs. Well, just about filled up that 2-gallon bucket. That's a lot more than what I had originally planted. I'm suspecting that some of these are the seed potatoes that I planted that I didn't cut. That one there, probably this one here, maybe some of the others. But still, that's a pretty good haul. I don't think I left any more in there, but I'm going to enjoy eating those. That's it. Rather than split this into 2 separate treasure hunts, I just made it one big one. And I'll see y'all on the next time.